Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how to claim 25,000 Tradeify select account. That's over $25,000. So let's begin. First you have to come to this website known as chartacademy.com. This is the official learning platform by Tradeify. So you have to create an account here. You can sign up using Google. Mine is already done, so I've just logged in. Here you have to go to leaderboard section. You will see your current points and your ranking and all. You have to complete a total of 1750 points to unlock 25,000 Tradify select account. For this, what you have to do is complete all the tasks below, refer your friends, and now let's go to masterclass option. Here you can see different master classes, so you can just open this page in a new window, just resize it accordingly so that it doesn't go in full screen, and just play any of the masterclass in this section. So the trick is you don't have to do this in full screen, you have to do this in this resized window only. This will keep playing in the background, else it will stop. After every 5 minutes you have to check your leaderboard, and in the leaderboard there is a maximum cap of 100 points a day. So after that 100 points is achieved, stop the masterclass and come back tomorrow to just complete your points and claim your account. This will take time, so make sure you be consistent. Also there is a login streak for daily login and 7 days login, so make sure to complete this also. To refer your friends, you can come here like refer a friend and share your invite link. This link is also provided in the description. Also make sure to join a Telegram channel. Link is given in the description as well as in the profile. Here you get all the updates ASAP. Thank you.